Hi, Zach here with Studio NPL, and today I'm going to show you what comes inside our 3Doodler 3D pen kits when you check them out. First, we have 5 3Doodlers. So these are the 3D pens. 5 power cords, so that's what powers your 3D pens. You should have about 50 sticks of filament. This is the plastic that liquefies that you draw with. You have an unblocking tool in case your 3Doodler gets jammed. And you have an instruction sheet right here, and various templates to get you started. So, if you have any questions or want to learn more, you can check out our how-to video on how to use the 3Doodlers.